Everybody knows that when it comes to EDC, size matters. A compact pistol in your pocket or bag is useful, but a micro compact? Well, that can be a game changer. In 2025, the industry has really stepped up, offering power, reliability, and shootability in packages small enough to laugh at most pants pockets. Today, we're counting down the top 8 smallest, most practical handguns for everyday carry. We'll look at weights, dimensions, capacity, reliability, and real-world carry comfort. Whether you're prepping for a pocket carry build or a minimalist life, these little guns deserve a look. So, grab your favorite beverage and let's run the list. Number 8. The Kel-Tec P32. Now, let's start with the Kel-Tec P32, the slim 32 ACP staple that's been around for decades. At just 3.1 ounces unloaded and 3.1 inches tall, this gun disappears in your pocket with ease. It's a single-stack 7+1 capacity pistol with a DAO trigger, and while you shouldn't expect pinpoint accuracy, it performs just fine within typical self-defense distances, especially inside 7 yards. The recoil is minimal and the trigger is long, but predictable. Now, let's talk downsides. Slide bite is real, and this pistol can be picky with ammo. Hollow points sometimes fail to feed properly, especially with older magazines. The sights are nearly non-existent, and the overall build feels lightweight because, well, it is. That said, it was never meant to be a range toy. It's made for those who prioritize deep concealment above all else. Whether you're carrying it in a pocket holster or as a backup gun, the P32 still delivers simple reliability in an almost unbelievable size. For folks who want the barest bits of protection with maximum concealability, the P32 continues to fill its role without apology. Number 7. The Ruger LCP Max. Next up, the Ruger LCP Max in 9x21, offering a 10+1 capacity in an incredible compact package. The dimensions are that it stands just 4.17 inches long, 2.7 inches high, and weighs only 6.1 ounces. Despite the tiny footprint, it packs a serious punch, comfortably fitting 10 rounds into a staggered magazine, while staying slim enough for true pocket carry. This model builds on the original LCP design with a number of smart upgrades. You get a better trigger with a cleaner break, improved sights that are actually usable in daylight or low light, and a flatter front face that helps manage recoil and presentation from concealment. It also gets bonus points for handling full power 9mm duty ammunition, assuming you're running a lighter recoil spring or carefully selecting your carry load. The Ruger LCP Max is covert, genuinely pocketable, and finally brings real-world defensive performance into a footprint that used to be .380 only territory. In 2025, this is Ruger's strongest micro pistol offering yet, one that delivers modern features without adding unnecessary bulk. If you need something discreet that doesn't compromise on power, the LCP Max should be high on your shortlist. Number 6. The SIG P365 Micro. Next, we have the SIG P365 Micro. SIG stepped into the micro game with the P365 Micro, and they didn't hold back. Weighing in at just 5.5 ounces and holding 8+1 rounds, this little pistol is an impressive blend of compact size and serious firepower. Standing only 1.4 inches tall, it vanishes into a pocket, waistband, or even the smallest subcompact holsters without printing. Despite its size, it's surprisingly comfortable to shoot. The grip texture is aggressive enough for control, but not so rough that it chews through clothing. It's smooth on the draw, easy to aim, and though it's striker fired, the trigger has a crisp break and a clean short reset, something rare in guns this small. The slide is easy to rack and recoil is manageable even with hotter loads. SIG's reliability track record holds strong here. The P365 Micro isn't just a tiny gun, it's a dependable, repeatable shooter that delivers consistent performance shot after shot. It may not be the cheapest option in the micro class, but when your life depends on your carry gun, the price tag becomes secondary. For those wanting premium build quality in a pint-sized platform, this SIG delivers exactly that. Number 5. The Smith & Wesson M&P Shield Plus 9mm. Mid-rank on our list is the Smith & Wesson M&P Shield Plus. Now, technically it's not a true micro compact, but it still earns a spot thanks to its slim 1.2-inch profile and manageable 21-ounce weight. What really sets it apart is the 13+1 capacity. That's a lot of firepower packed into a narrow, concealable frame. This pistol nails the balance between shootability and concealment. The ergonomics are fantastic, especially if you've got medium to large hands. The grip angle, the stippling, and slight palm swell make it feel like a full-size gun even though it hides like a subcompact. It's ideal for IWB carry, especially on days when you want something with a little more capacity and control without feeling bulky. This is your date night, run to the store, wear under a hoodie kind of handgun. It's reliable, accurate, and smooth to shoot with a crisp flat-face trigger that's a big upgrade over earlier Shield models. If micro pistols feel too small but you're not ready to carry a full-size gun every day, the M&P Shield Plus is that perfect middle ground, compact enough to carry, yet powerful enough and capable enough to trust. Number 4, the Ruger SP101 Competition 22LR. Now, coming in at number 4 is a bit of a wild card. We have the Ruger SP101 Competition in 22LR. Now, is it a micro? Not exactly. At 17 ounces with a 5-inch barrel, it's certainly on the larger side of this list, but here's the twist. When paired with something like a Leo Hall custom pocket holster or deep IWB rig, it becomes a highly concealable backup revolver that still gives you full-size grip control and shootability. Why does it deserve a spot? Well, because it's one of the few rimfire revolvers that balances serious performance with minimalist carry. The all-steel build means it'll last forever. The clean, crisp, double-action-only trigger is surprisingly refined for a rimfire, and the SP101 platform is known for its ruggedness and reliability. Most 22s are fun for plinking, but rarely trusted for carry. This one flips that narrative. It's easy to shoot, quick to draw, and doesn't punish your hand with recoil. Plus, with a 10-round cylinder and excellent sights, you've got a revolver that can actually hold its own on the range or in a low-threat defensive scenario. It's a niche pick, sure, but one that delivers unique advantages for revolver lovers who value simplicity and stealth. Number 3, the Glock 43X Slimline. At number 3, we've got the Glock 43X Slimline, a pistol that blends Glock's well-known dependability with everyday concealment comfort. It's one of the most trusted EDC handguns in 2025, and for good reason. Weighing just 6.3 ounces unloaded and measuring around 6.26 inches in overall length, the 43X is remarkably slim at only 1 inch thick. It holds 10 rounds in its standard magazine, giving you a solid balance between capacity and concealability. That's a huge step up from the original single-stack Glock 43. The real strength of the 43X lies in its shootability though. Unlike many micro pistols that feel snappy and uncomfortable, this one offers a full grip for better control and softer recoil. The longer grip and smooth trigger make follow-up shots easier, and its reliability is classic Glock. Drop it in dirt, dust, or rain, and it'll still run. There's also a massive aftermarket for upgrades, trigger kits, sights, lights, even custom slides. So if you're a tinkerer or minimalist, the 43X fits either lifestyle. The bottom line is this. The Glock 43X Slimline is the go-to for anyone who wants full-size confidence in a carry-size package. It's compact, consistent, and built to ride with you every single day. Number 2, Taurus G3's Compact 9mm. At number 2, we've got the Taurus G3's Compact, a handgun that quietly climbs the ranks and now punches well above its weight class in the everyday carry world. Taurus surprised everyone with this one. It's not quite a micro-compact, but it's impressively close. With a grip just slim enough for discreet IWB carry and a 1-inch thick profile, it's easy to conceal under a t-shirt or light jacket. But here's the kicker. It still packs 15 plus rounds of 9mm into a frame that weighs only 20 ounces unloaded. That's some serious firepower in a very carry-friendly platform. It measures 6.85 inches long, features an ergonomic grip with smart texturing, and has a crisp, predictable trigger that makes range sessions feel smooth and natural. Ambidextrous controls and a safety system that doesn't feel like an afterthought? Check. The G3's isn't just compact, it's modular and practical too. Taurus has had its ups and downs in the past, but the G3 series has proven itself to be reliable, consistent, and surprisingly refined. If you want something small but refuse to compromise on capacity or shootability, the Taurus G3's Compact is one of the best bang for your buck EDC options heading into 2025. Number 1, the SIG P365X Macro. And taking our top spot is the SIG P365X Macro. This is the carry pistol that's taken the firearm world by storm. It's essentially a micro-compact on steroids. Slim, sleek, but with the performance of something twice its size. Weighing just 15 ounces with a magazine in red dot and measuring 5.8 inches long and 1.1 inches thick, it manages to pack in 12 plus 1 rounds of 9mm without feeling bulky. Now for you gunheads out there, that's no small feat and you know it. It's optics ready too, and when paired with something like the Trijicon RNS-05, it becomes a truly versatile EDC option that excels in both speed and precision. The X Macro also features an integrated compensator that helps tame recoil, making follow-up shots quicker and smoother. Its ergonomics are superb, slim enough for appendix carry, yet with just enough grip length for full control. Whether you're a civilian carrier, off-duty officer, or armed professional, this gun adapts to your needs. In 2025, if you want one pistol to do it all, conceal, perform, and compete when needed, the SIG P365X Macro checks every box. It's compact, concealable, and uncompromising. It's more than just a carry gun, it's a modern benchmark for what a micro-compact should be. And there you have it, the smallest, quietest, and most badass handguns you can EDC in 2025. Each one offers unique advantages. The micro minimalists like the P32, LCP Max, and P365 Micro give you unmatched concealment. The slimmies like the Shield Plus and 43X balance shootability with size. The capacity winners like the G3's Compact prove you don't need to choose. And then you have the top king, the P365X Macro, which blends it all in one tidy package. The choice is yours. Pick based on your pocket preference, capacity needs, and recoil tolerance. Above all though, train your fundamentals because the equipment serves the shooter, not the other way around. So smash that thumbs up, subscribe for more real-world gun breakdowns, and tell me in the comments which gun lived on your hip in 2024 and into 2025. Until next time, carry light, shoot straight, stay safe, and stay ready.